Hello, and today we're going to talk about how to 3D model a cryptocurrency coin. If you really haven't had experience doing so, we're going to make it really easy. You're going to want to go to tinkercad.com, create an account, and it makes it easy for first timers just kind of learning to play around with 3D modeling. I like modeling coins because, well, first off, I like coins, but also when it comes to cryptocurrency, you don't have a physical, tangible coin. Especially some of the other currencies that are out there. I know Bitcoin, you can get some novelty coins, but you can't for all the other ones out there. So if you're looking to make your own, this could be a fun way to do it. And then afterwards, you can take that model and you can 3D print it. So let's go ahead and look at this SmartCash coin that we're looking to build today. So this is one I built a little bit earlier. If you're wondering what SmartCash is, go to smartcash.cc. It's a cryptocurrency which is doing a really cool, a few new innovative things that I haven't seen other cryptocurrencies do, especially all of these things all at once. One big aspect of it is that instead of all the rewards from the blockchain going to the miners, a big portion of it is going to help build the community, help develop the technology, help build it as a currency. And the things that people decide to use that money for, it actually gets voted on from the actual holders of the currency. So it's a great way to be part of a real community when it comes to cryptocurrency. And the other aspect is that it's using 20% of the blockchain rewards to provide value to the miners, so they get coins as well as smart rewards, which rewards long-term holders of the currency SmartCash. So it'll be a percentage based off of how much is mined during that month. So it's a really innovative feature to help with price stabilization. I really like that. But let's say if we're looking at the icon here, right? We're looking at the coin. We're seeing a hexagon with the icon in the center. So the biggest tip I can give for you when trying to 3D build something is to look at it as geometric shapes and then building it piece by piece from there. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the polygon tools under basic shapes and roughly size it out. Now I'm going to be making the basic shapes for it. I'm not going to be sizing everything perfectly. You can go ahead and play around with that later. But how do we go ahead and build the ridges on this coin? Well, instead of going ahead and building piece by piece around the side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy, paste, make an identical shape, make this one a little bit smaller, and make it a hole. Now when I make it a hole and align it right on top of the other shape, what's going to happen is that we have a hole intersecting the larger object. If we group them together, it's going to burrow that hole and carve it out right in the center there. So that's a real cool way of making those edges perfectly around, completely even. Now let's say you want to build the inner shape in there. We can go ahead and once again take our geometric shapes. We have our block here. I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste this. I'm going to make the other portions, right? So here we have that top little piece right there. And if we're going to go here, we're going to go ahead and turn this 45 degrees. Let's go -90, and then 45 again, and 180 round. Okay, let's just start off with -45, and that should give us the perfect angle that we want. So we're going to go ahead and align this. Once again, if you change the snap grid, you could be a little bit more precise with it. I'm not going to make it perfect, but you can when you have some time on your own to just really kind of make it exactly as you like it, right? That's a little better. There we go. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and group this so it's a solid piece, paste it, and once again we're going to go here, we're going to go 180 to rotate that, and here 180, rotate it again, and now we have that second piece, right? So it makes that second portion. Now we take both of these, group them, and now we have one solid piece. Go ahead and resize this, put it right in the middle of the coin right there, and now you see we have a completed coin. Go ahead and group that, and it's pretty much ready for printing as is. Once again, you can go ahead and tweak all those different angles in there to get it just right, but I think this is a good quick way to demonstrate how we can generate this into this. So maybe next time I'll go ahead and actually show you the print process to see what that looks like, and then the finished product. But thank you, and see you guys around.